What is half of 10 plus 10? Let me translate this. What means, let's say x is means equal sign, then half means 1 over 2, of means multiplication sign, then 10 plus 10. Now we have two operation here, plus and multiplication. Now we need to give preference on multiplication, because look, on the order of operation, PEMDAS, that is parenthesis, will work on parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we have multiplication, so we need to work on multiplication before addition. So 2, if you divide this 2 by 2, will get 1. If you divide this 10 by 2, you'll get 5. So 1 divided by 1, 1 times 5, that is 5. 5 plus 10, that is 15. So our answer is 15.